Hey guys, good morning, and today's date is 27th. Just got up, and Nifty back to back is between point two zeros. It's not going up or down. Time is already 10:07. These are yesterday's stocks. I'm just removing it out. Let's just look at Nifty, how the direction is. Okay, again. 1 minute. Okay, and Nifty now it's recovering. So let's go to the stocks part of this recovery. We have Tech Mahindra, then we have Bharat, the Infratel. Tech Mahindra, I'll just type Infratel. Okay. So 2 point. Let's see. This looks like this, and this looks the same. This is far better. Anyways, let's go with this itself. 7 rupees is 1%, right? So 698. Okay, anyways, let's buy. Exactly bought at 705. High is 705.90. Okay. At least it should move up to 708. And 0.3% is how much? 70 paisa is 0.1, so 21. So 2 rupees 10 paisa will be minimum target. That will be 707.10 is minimum target what we are looking to hit. 707.10. Currently the high is at 706.80. Let's keep the trigger pending. Let's see the graph. One minute, the RSI still has chance to hit that above 70 over here. Let's see. And may take some time, but we have to wait, right? So anyways, hope you guys are enjoying these videos. Okay, so please do hit that like button on this video, and also hit share button, and also subscribe to this channel, so that when you like these videos, I will do more of such videos for you guys. You guys are liking these previous live trading videos, and that's the reason I was recording these videos for you guys. And if you see now, again 707.30 is our 0.3 target. Okay, So if you keep all the beginners who would have kept 0.3 target and who would have exited would have got your target right away. Let's see if it can push more or I should quit. Let's see both the ways. Let's wait and watch. Okay. 707.10 was our target. Anyways, now let's see how much the stock can push. Is there a resistance here? It's moving. And 708, as I told you, it can go up to 708. It is gone. That one resistant line, I can see a resistant line over there. That's the reason. But if 708 breaks, then it's a great flow. And 708, if it can go above 710, then definitely it can go up to 715 also. But currently the resistance on 708, not sure how it can push it up. One thing in cover order is that before you sell, you need to see towards your left side, because you should have enough stocks to sell. Because when you sell, it'll take the price of the left side, that is the bids. Okay, so that's the reason when I sell, it'll sell at 706.9590, those area. So that's the reason I'm waiting. So this it covers up with a proper strength, and once the stock goes up, I can easily sell about 707.10. That was the main idea here. And I don't want to wait for a long time, so come on. The bid side has to go above 707, and it just stay there so that I can sell my 1000 shares. Here's the situation, but there is no enough shares for me to sell. If you see, it will share below then. Okay, the time has come. So not 7.105. A lot of resistance out there. It needs to break. Come on, guys. The quantity very less. We're just pushing towards the buy side for now. So come on. Push. These guys are pushing hard. Not 7.25. Look at the resistance out here, as I told you, around 708. Right? That's the reason. That breaks, it'll go crazily. But okay, we have 1000 stocks here. Come on, please go up. It's exactly dancing in my area itself, 707.10. Because if I sell now, I won't get exactly 707.10 average. The stocks are very less towards bid size, right? That's the reason I was just waiting. Okay, anyways, I'll wait for some more time and then I'll re-record the video for you guys. So if you see, the stock has come back. It went up to 708.95. Okay, so I can see that. So anyways, let's see if it can go up with 1000 shares above.
707. Then I can exit this trade. Okay, now we have enough shares to sell. That's it, I'm not waiting. Okay, so let me see. Finally, 707.23. So anyway, 707.10 is where I wanted to sell. So 707.23 is where I sold this stock. 2,300 rupees profit. Happy for the day. So hope you guys are learning something from these videos. So always I tell beginners, do not try this at home, okay, without training, without learning. Learn from everyone, get trained. Once you are trained, you will get a lot of ideas when to enter, when to exit. Selecting a stock can be, one day it will be easy for everybody selecting a stock, but exiting the stock, booking profits or booking losses is very important. That will come only by practice. So start learning from different people, the different reasons, how to predict the market, stock movements, situation. So always take up that. So anyways, thank you so much for watching this video. Hit this like button to promote this video, and also hit that share and subscribe button so that you can be part of my family and watch my upcoming lot of videos. See you soon in my next video. Bye bye, take care.